welcome to another episode of Venturing Around. Today we are on the next episode of maintaining our camper, and I'm going to be cleaning it. Well, me and the kids are going to be cleaning it with this Camco black streak remover, the Pro Strength, and you can see we got a lot of black streaks running down the sides here. I'm sure everybody has the same kind of streaks on their camper, just from the seals and stuff. So we're going to be using it and do a comparison on see how it works. Now I read the instructions on this and it says just spray it on and then wipe it with a rag. So we got microfiber cloths that we're going to be using to wipe it down with as we spray this on. We're doing little sections at a time, microfiber cloths. And you see this one, how dirty it was. It was a bright green yellow when we started, and we already done the other side, and we'll bring you around over there and let you look at that side, see how it turned out so far, and then we'll let you look at this side. And steady, steady, steady. Okay, I brought you around to the other side, and it's still a little bit wet. We've washed it with this, and then after we wiped it all down, we rinsed it, and then I went ahead and went over it with some Dawn, just regular Dawn dish detergent, and then I'm gonna go over it with some wax. Dawn helps bring off, the grease and everything, the road grime. It'll help bring the rest of it off, and if there's any residue left over from this, it'll bring it off as well. And then we can go back over and just we're just doing a spray wax, just a cheap little spray wax, just something to help kind of keep protected a little bit. And as you can see, this is what this side looks like after we done cleaned it, minus the wax. As you can see, I kind of did this side over. This is like a side-by-side comparison. This is the first. This side here was a lot more. It was a lot more streaked, a lot heavier soiled than the other side. And you can tell up here at the top, and you can probably still see a lot of the streaks. That was the first application, and I'm going to do it again. Let me scrub a little bit more, some more elbow grease. All right, and then look down here and over here, and you can see the streaks here. Now I'm just going to take my bare hand, or go ahead with the rag, and that's got just a little bit of the cleaner in it, and you can see there's still a little bit of streak. It just takes elbow grease to get it off, and we have a lot of it to do. But I'll come back a little bit, and after we put some more elbow grease in it, and I'll show you a final show of what it looks like. All right, as you can see, we've washed this side, and there are still some black streaks. All right, so the conclusion with the black streak remover from Camco is this. And this is as honest as I can get with it. if you have not so soiled black streaks, then yeah, it'll work. It works good. Now the rest of the camper, everything come clean. This side heavier soiled. This side of the camper, way we park it, we get all the morning or the evening, afternoon, evening sun all the way until sunset. So that could have a lot to do with the black streaks not coming off with the Camco black streak remover, but we did try. I tried to scrub brush. It even said, I tried to scrub brush to scrub it a little bit. That didn't even bring it off. So now we're going to try to figure out something else to get the rest of the black streaks off. It look, don't get me wrong, it looks a lot better than it did. Even like the white on the stripes and stuff, it come out cleaner. As you can see, it's just the black is still there. Black streaks are still there. But anyway, any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them at the bottom. I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching. And if you like this video, please subscribe. Give us a big thumbs up. Like it, subscribe, share, and comment down below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.
This is the aftermath of the water after cleaning all of the camper. You can see that it's really dirty and black. And this is just to trap all the dirt. It's kind of dirty down in there. So yeah, that's the aftermath of cleaning it.
Alright, as you can see, hold on.
Yeah.
So that was just like I said.
You lazy, man.
No, you're fine. Just pick it up and clean it over. I need professional photographers. Everything come clean. This side is heavier soiled, and it.